Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload video from YouTube Studio app. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the YT Studio. Search for that and you need to update YT Studio application. As you can see, my application is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open. So once you are here, you simply need to log in into your channel and click on the plus icon on the top, and here you need to select any video that you want to upload. So I selected a video. Here you need to create a title, add description. Here you can see the visibility option. So I'm going to add ABCD. So it's a random title. Okay, click on next and make sure that it is not made for kids, and then you simply need to upload your video. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.